Isha.
And we're the students of grade 6B. Today, grade 6B is here to start the morning assembly. First of all, with the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent, I would like to call Abdurrahman for Kirat.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا صدق الله العظيم.
Subhanallah. Now I would like to call Umar for the translation.
जब अब पहुंची मदद अल्लाह की हो और फतह हासिल हो जाए और ए नबी तुमने देखा लोगों को जो दाखिल हो रहे हैं वो अल्लाह के दीन में है और उससे मग़फ़िरत मांगो, बेशक वो है बहुत तौबा कबूल करने वाला.
Subhanallah. Now the Raya is here for the hadith. Please come up on the stage.
النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم ليس الشديد بالسرعة إنما الشديد الذي يملك نفسه عند الغضب. आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया पहलवान वो शख्स नहीं जो लोगों को पिछाड़ दे, बल्कि पहलवान वही शख्स है जो गुस्से के वक्त अपनी नफ्स पर काबू रखे.
Now I would like to call Abu Musa for the dua.
Raise your hand for dua. Rabbi zidni ilma.
Now Abuza will tell you about the word of the day.
The word of the day is serene. It means something calm and peaceful. For example, the lake is very serene in the morning light.
Our class prepared a maths quiz. Are you ready for it? This quiz based on the mental maths question you will solve in your mind and give answers. For this, I would like to call Bushra Ashraf and Amna.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fiza.
And my name is Amna.
We prepared a math quiz. Are you ready? A notebook costs rupees 45. How much for 3?
$135.
Correct answer. 135. What is 25% of 100? Correct answer. 25. A movie starts at 6:30 p.m. and ends at 8 p.m. How long is it?
Wow.
Wrong answer.
1 hour 30 minutes.
Correct answer. 1 hour 30 minutes. Your birthday is in 3 months. About how many days is that?
90.
Correct answer. 90 days. You drank 3 out of 5 juice boxes. What fraction is left? You drank 3 out of 5 juice boxes. What fraction is left? You drank 3 out of 5 juice boxes. What fraction is left?